I feel as though the Automation Robotics course allows students to learn, have fun, and let their creativeness flourish. There are specific problems that students are to solve, but how they reach their solution is anything but specific. A solution from one group of students may be completely different from that of another group, but they may both be excellent solutions for that particular problem. As long as the requirements of the problem are met, it works. By implementing a curriculum focused on its efforts on activities, projects, and problems, students naturally become more engaged and consequently have more ownership in their work. I rarely, if ever, remember students wanting to come to my classroom outside of the class time to work on projects that they do with the Automation Robotics unit. That is the ownership component that I feel is missing from our educational system that Project Lead the Way brings to the forefront in how it's structured. I feel as though this course is extremely important in preparing students for a global economy. In order to be successful, students do not need to memorize facts anymore. Students today are already bombarded with too much information to possibly store in their brains. Instead of having classrooms where students feel overwhelmed with memorizing facts like this, we need classrooms that foster ownership and hands-on experiences. Don't get me wrong, there's still a need to just know things. This would be your drive gear. Okay, that's the one that has the handle attached to it that's going to make it spin. This one, which one would be my drive gear? This one or this one?
That one.
This one. So this would be my drive gear right here. But with technology growing at an exponential rate, finding answers and problem solving is at least as important, if not more so. Teaching students to become independent learners and problem solvers is exactly what our country needs for our young people. If we don't have curriculums that foster this type of learning, we're setting them up for failure. We don't know what the future may hold, but one thing is for sure, if we teach our young people to problem solve, they'll be able to accomplish anything. Math plays an important role in AR with calculating gear ratios, distances for sensors, etc., to help them reach their solution to problems and to be incorporated into their robot programs. I feel the role of science is mainly played out with a logical thinking process similar to that in a science classroom when conducting experiments. There is a systematic and logical approach to solving problems. When programming robots, it's imperative that students plan what they want the robot to do and then begin to create pseudocode that follows that plan. By not following this systematic approach, students are not being forced to think before they take actions, and it typically means their robots will not function the way they should. This class utilizes technology throughout, which is why so many students love this class. They get to have fun using technology. It doesn't get any better than that. Between the activities, problems, projects that are incorporated with math, science, and technology, students hopefully will become independent problem solvers to help our country's future.
I like this class because it gives me mathematical problems and allows me to use my creativity to create different kinds of robots with hands-on activities.
I love
Project
Lead
the Way.